Good evening, everyone, and thank you very much for joining me today. I'm a product manager at Riker, and I'm going to take a few minutes today to introduce you to Tono-Vera, which is Riker's Rebound Tonometer. Tono-Vera provides effortless and objective intraocular pressure, and let's go in a little bit more detail about it. So Riker has a very long and trustworthy history in tonometer, from introducing the first microprocessor-controlled NCT back in the 1980s to pioneering the corneal hysteresis measurement and launching ocular response analyzer with CH measurement to launching Tono-Vera, which is one of the most well-known applanation handheld tonometers that is out there, to now launching Tono-Vera, which is Riker's first rebound tonometer. So Tono-Vera is rebound tonometer. It uses no anesthesia drops. It uses single-use lightweight probes to measure intraocular pressure. It is very easy to use and very quick to use as well. And it provides ultimate confidence in your IOP measurements because it has automatic measurement system. So let's look at a little bit more features about Tono-Vera and what makes it so easy to use. So Tono-Vera comes with active view positioning system. It has a camera which detects the eye and shows you the eye right on your screen. This active view positioning system guides the user to ideal distance and centration. And when you achieve proper alignment, the device will fire the probe automatically and take the measurement without you having to press any button. In addition to that, not only is Tono-Vera very easy for the user to take the measurements, but it's also extremely comfortable for patients. You can get reliable IOP measurements in as few as three readings. Now, if you wanted to send your data to EMR wirelessly, we have Bluetooth built in Tono-Vera, so you can transfer that data without any cables, wires, straight to your EMR through Bluetooth. Tono-Vera also comes with a docking station, so there is always a place to put your probes and put your Tono-Vera as well. So there's always a house for the device. And now Tono-Vera comes in two different versions. Either you can get a AA version or a rechargeable version. And if it's a rechargeable version, you can charge your device right through this docking station as well. So Tono-Vera is just very easy to use and provides extremely objective, reliable, and repeatable measurements. So now let's look at how do we get this measurement? How does the alignment system work? So the active view positioning system, the way it works is when the camera detects the eye, it activates your alignment system. So in this alignment system, you're going to see either a yellow, red, or a green ring, and a horizontal line, which will either be yellow or green. If you see a yellow ring, it means that the probe is either too far or off-centered from the eye, or if you see a red ring, it means the probe is too far from the eye. And if you see a green ring, it means you've achieved proper distance and centration from the apex of the cornea. Now, for the horizontal line, that indicates your probe angle. If the line is yellow, it means your probe angle is either too high or too low. If the line is green and the circle is green, it means you've achieved proper alignment, and the device will fire the probe and automatically take the measurement. Now, once you get the measurements, those results will appear either in a green ring, in a yellow ring, or in an orange ring with an arrow. Now, if you see your measurements in a green ring, it means the device is very confident in that reading, and you can move on to the next eye or complete your measurements. If you see your measurement in a yellow ring, it means that the device is not very confident in the measurement. It may be because the device couldn't take the minimum number of measurements required for it to complete that one reading. So in those cases, the device will tell you that it has low confidence in the measurement, and you may want to consider taking the measurement again. Now, if you see an orange ring with an arrow in it, it means the device is not confident in the reading at all and is asking you to take the measurement again. So with this ActiveView positioning system, you get more objective, more reliable, and more repeatable results. And this positioning system makes it extremely easy for anybody to use the device and eliminates or minimizes inter and intra-operator error as well. Now, you're going to use Tono-Vera with Ocudot's tonometer probes. So these probes are sterile probes. These are single-use only, single-use meaning one per eye. They come in a count of 100, and they can be easily stored right in the docking station. Now, Riker manufactures these probes and has full control over how they're manufactured and full control over the quality of these probes as well. Now, Tono-Vera, when compared to other tonometers, now there are many other tonometers that are on the market. They all have their own purpose, but Tono-Vera, because of these features, makes it just a little bit more superior. Because of the positioning system, the automatic measurements, there's no anesthesia drops that you need, so it's very comfortable for patients, and it can be used in patients that are allergic to anesthesia drops. It's also portable. It's super easy to use. So it just overall makes Tono-Vera just a little bit superior than other tonometers that are out there in terms of ease of use, in terms of portability. Now, not only is Tono-Vera convenient to use, but also in terms of reliability, it compares very well to Goldman tonometer. From a study that was published by Dr. Niles and by Dr. Crincy, where they measured about 160 eyes, it says that the average IOP values from the Goldman and Tono-Vera were not significantly different. So basically concluding that Tono-Vera demonstrates accuracy comparable to Goldman tonometer. So thank you very much for being here with us today. For more information on the device, you can visit our website at www.riker.com, and we also have a limited time offer where you'll get a 5% off with using the promo code WOOU. Now I'll open the floor for any questions.
Hey, Saloni, I've been monitoring the chat. There's a couple questions. The first one was about price, which I think your final slide answers here. One person asked, can you reuse the probes? I think you addressed that in your presentation, but maybe you can reiterate.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. Thank you very much. So as far as when it comes to reusing the probes, we recommend to not reuse the probes. These are meant to be used these are single use only, one per patient. The more you use the probes, it's just for sanitation purposes. It's not preferred that you reuse the probes, and the more you use the probes, it could affect the accuracy of the device as well.
And someone asked about another brand of Rebound tonometer that uses 6 measurements, and ours, it said, uses 3 measurements. Is there, how are we certain that it's accurate with fewer measurements?
So with Tono-Vera, you can either do 3 measurements or 6 measurements. So there is an option for you to choose. And through our study, we've proved that even with 3 measurements, you can get very reliable readings.
And maintenance, are there any routine maintenance or calibration operations that need to be performed?
The only routine maintenance that you would do is clean the probe chamber. So this chamber is where the probe fits. We'll be setting in, and periodically you would want to clean the probe chamber. It is very easy to clean the probe chamber, you get a little tube in your Tono-Vera kit when you purchase, and it has a spare probe chamber for you to use while you're cleaning the probe sets in the device. So you would fill the tube with isopropyl alcohol and let the probe chamber sit in there for 5 minutes, and then clean it with some compressed air, and you're ready to use the probe chamber again.
Two more questions that just came in. One is, do you always have to use the docking station, or can it be used with disposable batteries?
So we have two options. You can get Tono-Vera with AA batteries, or you can get Tono-Vera with a rechargeable battery. If you do buy a device that comes with a rechargeable one, you can also buy a battery pack that fits 4 AA batteries in addition to your rechargeable Tono-Vera.
Next question is a double barrel question here. What does it come with? Any probes, and how much are the probes?
When you buy the kit, it does come with one box of 100 probes in it. And one box of probes will be somewhere from $90 to $100.
Look here, see if there's anything else. Those are all the questions. And the only thing I'm not sure if you mentioned to our audience members is there's a link to that clinical study in the chat. If you click on that, you can download the paper that was referenced.
One, absolutely. So if you wanted to access the publication, the paper, the link is in the chat. And if you needed more information, please visit our website at www.riker.com. And for any more details about the promotion, as well as about the products, all will be available on our website. Again, thank you very much for your time today, and have a good evening.